Welcome to AonlineTraining. Now in this, as with the solid color design in Illustrator Hijab, so now I want to add a textures. So I open this, which I already made in Illustrator, the different shapes, and I just open that. Now I'm just fill that color. I just change that. I open the windows and there is a color palette and go this option at the RGB. So now it comes to be in color. So I select to all of them. It's overlap shape. So I go to objects and to make it so its overlap get to be minus. So I just change one of a selected color. You can choose your colors also. Then I have to define this pattern. In this you can just define the width and height of what will be your pattern size and the number of the tilings of your patterns are in the form of repeating. So these are the things. Now I'm going to just save as a done that. Then this is a pattern palettes which again comes to window menu. So I go for save with this. I show you this window menu with swatches. It has hold the making or define that pattern. So this is how I just save that. So I'm going to save it so I can reuse it anytime in the Illustrator. So I'm going to over there and I'm just recall the which I saved. So it's come because before you have to select the solid shape. But now I want to be a duplicate of this. So once is a solid and once is a texture. So I just select one of which I had copied and I select this shapes and I go for the none and swatches fill. So it's like that. So this is how you can make your own patterns. Illustrators make them patterns and come in swatches, fill it over there. This is how I come in appearance palette. Now I adjust this opacity, blend in that. So it's blending the gray with that. So it's performs more effects. I made already in the last videos the white shiny which I had hide. Then the same thing I'm go with the blur effect. So it's give me the more shiny refer. So give them more radius. So that's now it's look nice. So it's shiny edges in the depth of the wrinkles. I alt and just drag. So now I'm going to save as or export as to be external images, PNG or JPEG. You choose your format and save as in AI so you can work on that. So this is how I done. Welcome to AonlineTraining.